Hello, car enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of car maintenance, where we'll equip you with essential tips to keep your vehicle running like a well-oiled machine. Regular maintenance not only extends your car's lifespan but also ensures a smoother and safer driving experience. Let's dive into our comprehensive guide on caring for your car. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping your car in top condition. It helps prevent breakdowns, improves fuel efficiency, and maintains the overall performance of your vehicle. Start by checking your car's fluid levels regularly: engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and more. Proper fluid levels are essential for optimal engine performance. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine. Change it at regular intervals to keep the engine running smoothly and prevent friction-related damage. Check your tire pressure and tread depth often. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency, handling, and safety. Rotate your tires regularly to ensure even wear. Your brakes are crucial for safety. Inspect brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid regularly. Replace worn-out brake components promptly to ensure effective braking. A clean air filter improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. Check and replace it as recommended in your car's manual. Inspect your car's battery for corrosion and secure connections. Clean terminals and keep the battery charged to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Ensure all your lights and signals are working properly. Proper illumination is essential for your safety and the safety of others on the road. While DIY maintenance is crucial, regular professional checkups are equally important. A trained mechanic can identify and address potential issues you might miss. Congratulations! You've just received a basic idea for checking car on yourself. By following these tips and establishing a maintenance schedule, you are investing in the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable automotive insights. Safe driving and happy motoring.